तुम मेरे ना हुए ना सही। I know they come on the center 1 second उससे पहले वो लोग डांस करेंगे ना। Can we put our hands up together for Ayushmann Khurrana and Rashmika? The kind of makhan my dadi used to make fresh on the paratha. This chemistry is sizzling on the paratha. Yummy paratha. We'll come back to the mere. What's the secret sauce? We've never seen you do something like this.
Yes. The reason why, as in it just came out of thin air, like sirs have been saying that music comes out of thin air, but this truly for me as an artist came out of thin air because one day Amar sir, Aditya sir, Dinesh sir were just sitting on the set and they were like, you know what, we have an idea and why don't we just shoot a song? It just came like that and I was like, let's go, and I didn't know what I was walking into.
Yeah.
And I had just come out of a fracture which was like 3 months in and they told me that this is the song that they want to shoot for and I was like, but how are you going to dance for this song?
Yes.
Because this is like a very heartbreak sort of a song, but also it is so interesting of how for a music like this, we have created a dance like this. So I remember it just came out of that and today to see it happen like this, and I always wanted to surprise my audience in a way that they didn't know what to look forward to. And I think Maddock is the best arena to do that.
Trust me, I mean it's crazy. Rashmika on that track, with all those moves, that's driving the country and the globe crazy. Can we please clap for Rashmika? Thank you very much. Ayushmann, we've seen you sing, we've seen you act. You're wonderful at everything that you do. Yeah, I know you're modest about it, but for once you can say, I'm crazy. I'm amazing.
I'm crazy. I'm not sure I'm amazing or not. I'm crazy for sure.
But you're amazing for sure. How does it feel when a stunning song like this is filmed for you?
Well, of course, this is completely Rashmika's song.
Yes.
I'm there admiring the beauty in the
Yes.
song. That's my character in the song. And
Yes.
she's of course singing for me. But yeah, it's her song. There's one section in between I'm dancing, but overall she's done the dancing and everything. They had me 2 days to rehearse. Last day on the set, और वो set बहुत खूबसूरत था. वो तोड़ने से पहले उसमें आपको utilize करना चाहते थे. And we did that song. That was so impromptu with Rashmika said. तो ये इसके पीछे की कहानी है. But this is one of my favorite tracks in the film. और it has a good mix of everything. I think.
Yes, that's true. And all songs bring this lovely flavor constantly. Sachin Jigar, we've spoken about this, we've established you're redefining the music of the universe. One track at a time, one step at a time. How do you keep surprising us every time? Sachin, like, what?
No, it's we have to surprise ourselves first.
Yes.
And let me tell you, ये म्यूजिक एक्चुअली सरप्राइज नहीं है, ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ी सरप्राइज है क्योंकि जब हमें बताया था अमर और डिनो सर ने कि वी आर मेकिंग अ लव स्टोरी इन द हॉरर यूनिवर्स एंड वी नीड अ लव सॉन्ग एंड व्हेन वी मेड रहे ना रहे हमको ऐसा लगा यार ऐसा तो क्या ही प्यार कर लेंगे है ना, लेकिन जब अब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमने सोचा ओ ऐसा भी प्यार कर सकते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स द यूनिवर्स दैट सरप्राइजेस अस एंड गिव्स अस द स्कोप टू प्ले.
Right. Sachin, if you had to give Jigar rating out of 10.
For his looks,
For his
20
looks,
out of 10.
there are 3 categories. For his looks, for him as a partner, as a co-composer, and for his vision.
See, you know, his or our vision is coming from Dinesh Vision.
Yes! I was waiting for that. No, but no, for real.
But, you know, for real, I mean, can't be more luckier. Uska naam hi Jigar hai, you know. He's the rebel in the combination, he's the go-getter. And he's also the one who doesn't sleep at nights, saying कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते दोबारा. So he's the one that, you know, sets a very high standard for us to break. And just like he said, you know, sometimes I feel कि अगर गाना चलता है तो I am not surprised क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. So you know, really there is such a huge cancellation amongst all of us. अगर मुझे जिगर को, तीनों सर को और अमिताभ भाई को पसंद आ जाए तो फिर अमर सर एंटर करते हैं. तो ये आप कॉम्बिनेशन ही हमारा है.
कमाल है. अगर उससे पहले जरा एक काम करते हैं. Let's just make some noise again. Okay, now there's this man who has actually gotten all of this together, made sure कि आज जब अंत का काम बाकी है फिर भी आदित्य सर, that's what I said. I'm sure Aditya has got 28,000 things to do, but he's still here. आदित्य आपसे तो सवाल पूछेंगे, of course. We need to know everything about Kama. एक करके. श्रद्धा से पहले सवाल पूछते हैं. श्रद्धा, this song is killing it. It's killing it. It is breaking the chart on Spotify. How does it feel to A, sing in front of this audience, and B, to be a part of a song like that?
First of all, I'm just a presenter here, and this song is actually sung by Madhubanti ma'am, and I am very happy कि सर ने मुझे यहाँ पे चूज़ किया कि मैं आप लोगों के सामने ये गाना प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ, because I'm a huge fan of Sachin sir and Jigar sir, and I'm also a student of them, और मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ मधुबंती मैम की भी. और आप लोगों के सामने ऑफ कोर्स मुझे गाने का ये सौभाग्य मिला, सो उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
That's incredible, guys. Can we please clap for Shraddha Mishra? आदित्य, आपका ये सवाल मैं आपको पूछने वाली, आपका ये सवाल मैं ही पूछूंगा. आदित्य, the question for you is, this is gaining more and more energy every day. It's, as I said, killing it on the internet every day. There's a lot of anticipation for the 21st of October. हमने ना आयुष्मान को, ना रश्मिका को, ना परेश रावल को, ना नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी को, ना फैजल मलिक को, ना मलाइका को, ना नौरा को, ना सचिन जिगर को इस अवतार में देखा है. एंटिसिपेशन आपके लिए कैसा है? क्या आप हर रोज सुबह को अपना ब्लड प्रेशर चेक कर रहे हैं सर?
ब्लड प्रेशर तो नहीं चेक करा. एक्चुअली आई वाज ऑन माय वे फ्रॉम सेंसर स्क्रीनिंग टू मिक्सिंग एंड DI, और वो ऐसे टाइम पे ना मम्मी की फिल्म कंप्लीट करने के लिए और डिलीवर करने के लिए 2 दिन, तो अमर और मैम दोनों ऐसे घूम रहे. जिगर वी बीन मीटिंग हिम ऑन एंड ऑफ ऑन द मिक्सिंग सेशंस, बट anticipation is there for all of us also. Yeah? We are really looking forward to showing everyone the film. I want to show them the film. I want to show you all the film. So, and we want to put our best film ahead. We want to put the best version of the film ahead. So, अभी जैसे we are counting days. अभी 21st को रिलीज हो रही है फिल्म, तो हमारे लिए उसको 4 दिन पहले देनी होती है फिल्म, डिलीवर करनी होती है फिल्म. तो हाँ, टाइम है, थोड़ा टाइम है, इतना टाइम नहीं है. But it's very exciting to see how people are loving the song that we're putting out there, and so much hard work done by everybody is being appreciated. तो अभी एंटिसिपेशन 21st की मुझे ज़्यादा है. ब्लड प्रेशर मैं चेक मेरा नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक इनको प्रोड्यूसर साहब को ज़्यादा टेंशन भी हो सकता है.
ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करो ना करो, ब्लड चूसने के लिए एक ही आदमी आने वाला है. ब्लड सर्कल राइट नहीं करिए. Splendid, very splendid to look at you. Rashmika looks like a dream. Can we please scream for Rashmika? Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Actually, होरे की जगह भी थामा बोलना चाहिए. Rashmika, it's so good to see you. You were fantastic in Chava. Guys, 1 second, thoda calm down. Rashmika's come, Baba. All right, so Rashmika, the trailer has obviously broken the internet. There's a lot of love that's coming your way. The way you're looking in, tum mere na hue. Also, with the charm in every scene, what would you like to say? How are you dealing with all this love?
Pehle to, hi everyone, how are you? Having fun, we're just starting, so are you excited for a great show? Haan, Ninbauna. Thank you. How am I feeling with all the love? I feel extremely grateful. Thank you. See? Grateful. And I look forward to Thama release. I think it's going to be a different experience for all of you. Thank you so much for giving us all this love always. I love you. Thank you so much. You make my life worth living. Thank you.
Just do what you do normally. I'll start doing this with every person in my life now. Rashmika, कोई भी Maddock का event किसी surprise के बिना पूरा ही नहीं होता.
जी.
And I've heard that today, while we're on stage, there is another surprise for us.
Yeah.
क्या हम उस surprise को unsurprise कर सकते हैं?
Actually, you know what? I think the surprise now should just go as a surprise. You don't know what you're looking forward for, so be surprised.
Be surprised, be surprised. But you got to be excited also. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ phone पकड़ के खड़े. Excitement, right?
Okay, but listen. I've just realized that Maddock Universe, Dinesh sir, Amar Kaushik sir cannot do without great iconic music, okay? And with iconic music, you need someone iconic to be a part of that music, right? To lead the music. So today, we have the legend, the OG, Malaika Arora joining us.
Malaika and Rashmika on stage. It's the OG. Yeah, nice room. Extra air conditioner है because.
Oh, Sujit bhai.
Because the mahal got hotter. Hotter by so many more degrees. Malaika, I don't know how you do it. You do it every time. But this is the first time you're part of the unforgettable, the most amazing MSCU, which is the Maddock horror comedy universe. Hard to see to be a part of this.
Well, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for that beautiful introduction. I'm super excited to be part of the Maddock horror comedy universe. It's been a great privilege to be part of it. I think after so long I've really enjoyed a song. I'm really looking forward to it. मैं और क्या बोलूँ? It's going to be a
Are we ready for the dhamaka as Rashmika, of course, standing up and Malaika joining this entire universe? Are we ready? We need to make
some noise, everybody. Let's make some noise.
It is going to be so spectacular, baby. You have no idea what's going to hit you. Let me please have the visuals of Poison, baby. Right here.
Let's make some noise.
अच्छा, आयुष्मान आप पहले जवाब देंगे, उसके बाद में I have one more thing to do. But
अरे बाप रे बाप, कितना
spot. Ask me the question, ना ask. Yeah. We have asked you so many questions. What question would you like the audience?
रीना, तुम क्यों डांस नहीं करती? जितने तीन गाने हमारे डांस वाले हैं, you have not danced in front of.
I too love dancing. You don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know. The day you start following, तुम मेरे हो चुके हो सनम.
अभी दिया डांस भी.
मेरा वर्जन है.
बहुत सा क्यूट वर्जन है रीना, मैं फॉलो करना बनता है.
Thank you. देखिए, हम फटाफट से काम करते हैं. इनको और स्पॉट पे नहीं डालते हैं. इनको आराम करने देते हैं.